How to disable notifications on Threads. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Threads on your device. Then, click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. In your profile, you will find two lines at the top right. Click on two lines at the top right. In here, you'll find notification option. Click on it. After you click on notifications, you'll find all these options. Click on pause all. After you click on pause all, you'll find all these options. Select 15 minutes to 8 hours. If you want to pause forever, what you can do is simply go back from Threads app. In your home screen, simply hold on to the Threads app and then click on app info at the top. After you click on app info, click on notifications in here. Then, in all Threads notifications, simply click on it and turn it off. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to disable notifications on Threads. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.